Just want to show you guys something. I've got a problem going on and I need help because obviously 30 days is going past. I've been trying this for a couple of days on my own. I put a post in the leaders thing and I had a reply today. But yeah, I've gone through this. This thing is connected to my website. It all works. Went through the processes. It definitely all works. I go to the link and I get this. It's definitely all working. I reload. I tried it in. I'm in Chrome at the moment, Google Chrome. But it's a bit frustrating. If I go to this, connect to connect my what do you call it? So buildable dashboard. I go to my 30-day business builder. Obviously, time's running out. I am connected. Your domain is connected. My domain is, if I go to here and I go to my domain, which is that one, it comes to this. Literally the normal login, but it's definitely connected. Went through the processes. It was working the other day, but like now it's not, which is weird. So I am totally confused. I don't know what to do. I can't really do this funnel, which I was really getting excited about because it's almost done for you. I was going to do this. I missed this one, but I can't even open the link anyway. So I don't know. It's you know I haven't got a clue what to do. I was going to copy one of these, do an email campaign at least. so, so yeah, I don't get what else I can do. Can someone please help me because